Ever feel like your phone is like holding you back?
Yeah.
Like you're trying to do a million things at once and it just starts to choke.
Yeah.
Get ready for the Snapdragon 8 Elite. This chip might change everything.
Yeah, it's true. This isn't just like, your typical spec bump.
Right.
We're potentially talking about a seismic shift in like what we can expect from our smartphones.
So we've been looking at, all the leaks and rumors, all the good stuff.
Yeah.
And everything is pointing to this being an absolute beast of a chip. It was codenamed SM8750, but the buzz is that it's going to be called the Snapdragon 8 Elite.
Right.
Maybe even Ultra.
Yeah. And that name change is really telling, right? It suggests that Qualcomm isn't just content with, keeping pace with the competition. They're trying to redefine what a flagship phone can even be.
Totally. And one of the biggest clues we have about, how powerful this thing is going to be is from the leaked benchmark scores.
Oh, yeah.
We're talking numbers that just blow current top-tier phones out of the water.
Yeah, for your listeners who really love to, push their phones to the limit, imagine playing, the latest mobile games with a console-quality graphics all on your phone.
Wow.
That's the kind of performance leap we're talking about here.
So this is where things get really interesting. So the Snapdragon 8 Elite is rumored to be using the brand new Snapdragon Oryon CPU.
Yes.
This is huge.
This is huge.
Yeah.
This is a really big deal. So, Qualcomm designed this CPU completely in-house, and it's all about achieving both, top-of-the-line power, but also efficiency in a way that we just haven't seen before. So instead of just cramming more and more transistors onto the chip, which, we've seen can lead to overheating and battery drain, they've really gone back to the drawing board and completely rethought the architecture. They're optimizing it for, the demands that we're putting on our smartphones today.
So that means what? Like for someone who uses their phone for everything, work, gaming, streaming, all that,
Yeah.
you're saying their phone might actually last a full day?
It means, you might be able to actually do all of those things without your phone dying before lunchtime.
Wow.
Imagine editing a 4K video, on the go, seamlessly switching to a video call and then, jumping into an augmented reality game, all without, any lag or really even worrying about your battery life.
So we've talked about pushing boundaries. The rumor mill is saying that OnePlus might be the first to release a phone with this new chip.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Apparently, the prototype phone that Qualcomm was showing off in that promo video looks suspiciously like a OnePlus 13.
Yeah, it wouldn't be surprising, right? OnePlus, they have a history of, pushing the limits of mobile technology, so they would be a natural fit to debut the Snapdragon 8 Elite.
For sure. But, all the other manufacturers like Samsung, Google, they're all going to be right behind them, trying to get this into their flagship phones. This is going to be like a whole new era of mobile experiences.
Absolutely. Yeah. I mean, just think about it. This level of processing power, it just opens up so many possibilities for developers. Imagine a world where, your phone just seamlessly blends with, the real world through augmented reality. Yeah. And it's all powered by this one tiny chip. Or, picture an AI assistant that actually understands your needs and anticipates them thanks to that Snapdragon 8 Elite's processing power.
Okay, I'm geeking out a little bit here, but seriously, this is really exciting stuff. We're not just talking about faster phones. We're talking about fundamentally changing how we interact with technology.
Yeah.
This is big.
Yeah. And the best part is that we don't even have to wait that much longer to find out more. The official unveiling is happening at Qualcomm's Snapdragon Summit, October 22nd through the 24th.
It's right around the corner.
Mark your calendars, folks. That's when the hype train becomes reality.
Love it.
Until then, I'll leave you with this. With this level of processing power and efficiency coming to smartphones, what does that mean for the future of mobile gaming?
Oh, wow.
Could this be what we've been waiting for?
Yeah.
That finally brings, console quality gaming to our pockets? It's definitely something to think about.